Too soon to say, what's your name anyway? You make me make moves. I see you, you know I see you. I break through to get to you. It's so true, it's so true. See you.
Si preparano Francesca Denardi in corsia numero 1, Matilda Rodicari in 2, Caterina Foradori in corsia numero 3, in corsia 4 Francesca Gallina, Benedetta Manenti in 5, Alessia Barisoni in 6, Alice Dabalà in 7, Noemi Zucchetta in 8.
When you came into focus, how could I pretend I didn't notice? An incision when you look back, gave me tunnel vision right in the back.
2:33:56 Franceschin si aggiudica la prova. Ottavia Franceschini, Idros.